Here in this class, we are going to talk about the different type of provision that we are going to do. That is the remote execution. Okay. So basically, what we are going to do into this. So we'll be creating a EC2 instance. Okay. So what are the prerequisites that is required for us to do? So first of all, you should have a key pair. Okay. So that will be used to connect to your EC2 instance through Terraform using the SSH. Okay. Next, we need a security group as well. And the third thing which we are going to do, like into the EC2 instance, we are going to install the Apache. Okay. So this thing is the important one. Like here, we are going to use the provisional block. Okay. With remote execution and with inline. So in inline, we can write the commands one by one. And also we have some different things like scripts that will refer to your local script that you can provide. Okay. So this is the overall topic will be covered in today's class. So first of all, I have my actually source for the Terraform security group on the Google, and I got the result that's quite good one. So we'll simply copy this one, okay, and we can create a security group as well. And I will just open up the AWS console. I will just show you how you can create a key pair. So you have to just go into the instances. So that is, you have to search for the EC2, or if you have recently visited, you can click there. And then we have this key pair. So just click on it, key pair. So already I have created one key pair that you can see here is the TF provision remote. Okay, you have to simply copy into your wherever you are running. Like I'm reusing the Linux mint, so I have copied already there. So to create a new key pair, just click on it, give the name, give the type as the .pems. So that will be used for OpenSSH connection and simply create key pair. Okay, so already I've done, so I'm not going to do it. So just go back and I will open up my VMs. So just wait. Okay, so VM is finally up, and here you can see this .pem file already I've copied here. So just do Control Alt T and do code. Okay, we can open a folder, and in Terraform Basics we have provisioner. Okay, here we can create a new folder that is the Terraform Remote. Create. I will open this. Then I'm going to create a main.tf file. Main.tf. Okay. I'll just open up a new code also. New base code. I have to simply copy that provider and all. So just open a folder and in Terraform Basics. Provision, yes, this only I want. Is main.tf. Okay. So this thing we can copy, right? Okay. Done. Just close it, paste it, done. And already we have this one, security group, that also we can copy. And also here also I have the same code actually. Okay, so we are going to use this only. So you can see the resource block in the security group, then we can give the name, and this is the VPC ID for me. That is this is the default VPC ID. You can get your VPC ID on from your console. You have to just simply search for the VPC, click on it, and it will show you the list of VPC which you have. Currently, I have only one VPC, that is the default one. For you, also one if you have not created new VPC yet. So just do your VPCs here, and it will show you this VPC ID here. You can see. So this is the VPC ID, same you can see here also. Okay. So 07UB71 or whatever it is. Okay. Then in the security group, we have two ingress rule, that is two inbound rules we have, that is the port 80. So what we are going to do basically, security group will act as your firewall, you can say. So that will allow port 80 and 20. 80 will be used for the HTTPD, which we are going to install, that is the Apache, and 22, sorry, not 20, that will be used for the SSH connection. Okay. And the output bound, like it is like we can browse anywhere and it can connect to any IP and it can go. Okay, so that is your egress here. Okay, And same resource block we have instance, so that will come up on there. So first of all, copy this part. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, I already have copied. That's fine. Okay, so your security group is done. Next, you have resource, and we can give the AWS underscore instance, right? And the instance name, what I want to give, what was there? We can give the same web. Okay, and this AMI we am going to use this line. I can copy. Okay, web is done. Then this is the AMI resource which we are going to use here actually. So AMI you can get from your previous whatever previous videos where we have created instances. Okay, why it is not getting copied? Okay, that's why I'll write simply AMI equal to here. If I go, I will just copy this. It's not getting copied. I'm not sure why. If I do like this, Control C. Okay, now in clipboard it's going fine. Main game now. These are the backticks. Okay, AMI we are done. Then we have the instance type that we can give as the t2 dot micro. After that, we have this key name. So the same key name we can provide in the security group also. So wow, I don't know what is happening with my control C actually. Doesn't want me to copy links. Okay, just paste it. Key name is done, security groups are done, so we are going to use the same security group. And the important thing now it comes at is the provisioner block. Okay, so we are going to write this provisioner, and the type we have the remote execution. After that, what we have to do, we have to use the inline. Okay, so you can see the inline here. We are going to write all these uh, commands which will going to install your HTTPD. Okay, I can remove this. I can remove. Okay, inline is done. Then we have this connection block. So that is the type. You can see the SSH, and also you can see the host. So that also we can write here after this connection. Then we can give the type as SSH. After what we have to give, then we have to give a user. So user we have the easy to user by default. So the user will be user equal to EC2 user, and then we have a private key. So private key we can give using the file, and I didn't copy private key here. Let me just copy it. Control C, and here I can do Control V, paste. Cool. Okay, so open up a terminal. I will just copy the whole path. So pwd, Control Shift C, and then slash. We have this df dash provisioner dash mode dot pen. Okay, then we have to provide the host. It will be after this host equal to self dot public. Okay, cool. And I will tell you though what is the mistake which I was doing. So the mistake which I was doing basically here, the resource name, resource key name. Here also you're giving the same file location. So here you have to basically provide only the name of the key which you are going to use. Okay, so that's it. Let's quickly do the Terraform init. It will take a few seconds of time to initialize, then we'll do plan and apply. So we can see like we will have a running HTTPD service. Okay, so plan is not done, init is done. So to do quickly Terraform plan, it will also a few seconds of time. And the VPC main ID we must. Okay, so here I have to copy the VPC ID. So what was the VPC ID? We have. It's better to copy from here. Okay, let's do plan again. And why it's okay, your IP address. I'm doing mistakes, too many mistakes today. So IP address will be 0.0, so it will be accept the traffic from anywhere. That's why. Now to plan. I guess now everything is fine. Yes. Plan is done. Two resources getting added. One security group and one the EC2 instance. Let's clear the screen. Do the Terraform apply. And it will give you the instances. So let's quickly open up not this one. Oh yes, what I opened here. Shit. Okay, just do yes. We got error. Why we got error? It should not creating security group. Invalid VPC ID. VPC doesn't exist. Wow. Why it is that is the where is my the where the other code went? That US East one provider block. Wow, I replaced everything. Let me just copy it again, guys. Okay, now apply. So in US East one, inconsistent. Okay, let's do a plan. Okay, inconsistency, dependency. Going to delete everything. So all we are going to do from the fresh. Why it is not deleting here everything. One is only pending. Yes. No. Do ls-ltr, ls-altr. Then you have to do rm-rf dot terraform. You're good to go now. Do Terraform init now again. So you can see I missed this the whole block, the main thing only. Provider block itself I missed. Just wait. Initialization is done. Let's do Terraform plan. Now it should work. Now to Terraform apply. Okay, it will ask okay to yes. Security group is creating. Yes, already security group. I have that one. Let's go in EC2. So it is creating the security group ID. Okay, creation is complete. Now instance it is going to create. Still creating, go in instances. So one instance is running, it is showing. Okay, okay, that is initializing, that is fine. Public IP you can see the 54175. Okay, so here you can see the remote execution block is running. And the IP you can see the same, this one 54175.162.50. Cool. Okay, one instance is getting created, then we can see at port 80 we will have this running HTTPD. Okay. And also this HashiCorp suggests like you should never use remote execution until and unless you don't have any other option. So any other option like you can have you can use this Ansible, Puppet, these things. Okay, we are done here. Uh, Since created initialization, it should be done. I can copy this public IP and I can open up into the new tab, paste it, and something should come like it works. If everything is fine, it should work. Yeah, okay, it works. So here you can see, like we have finally successfully used the remote execution to install this HTTPD. So in this way, you can use the remote execution. That's it guys for this video and I will see you in the next one. And just for your task, so using the remote execution, what you do, you create a new file into the EC2 instance. So that will be very helpful for you and you will learn how you can create a new file. You need to write a script or something which you want to use. So that's it for this class and I will see you in the next one. So just do Terraform destroy so to save the cost. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.